Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I need to get a promotion from Red Stripe because I'm always drinking Red Stripe beer. But guys, today is gonna be another great video, which is a stew peas and white rice video with some vegetable that I'm gonna steam. And guys, please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that when I upload a video, you will be the first to get the videos, because some person are saying that they are not seeing the content when I put them on the channel. So please remember to turn on your post notification. Guys, I see that are the pig's tail, man. That's what gonna be cooking for the stew peas. And over the next pot we have our peas. I put my peas to soak from overnight, so I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic in the peas and then cover it. So I am checking on the peas to see if the peas is cooked or we need to add some more water. We need to add some more water, and I'm checking on the meat as well. I am going to throw off this water now and then put it back on the stove with some more fresh water. See guys, I'm just throwing off that water, catching some fresh water. And guys, whenever time the tripod stand come, I promise you, you will see more of me cooking instead of me talking and showing the thing, because I'm using my smartphone and it's not really easy to show yourself and cooking at the same time. So as soon as I get the tripod stand for the phone, then you will see more of me cooking. So the meat done cooked now, so I'm gonna add the meat into the peas. So it's stew peas. So now the peas and the meat are going to be cooking together. I'm going to cut up my scallion. So I'm checking on the stew peas, it's coming on good. Can you see that? I am going to add 1 coconut milk powder into my stew peas. So the water that I'm going to use, I'm using ½ cup of room temperature water to 1 coconut milk powder. So I'm adding the coconut milk in now. So the coconut milk can cook with the meat and the peas. Next I'm going to add some small dumpling into my stew peas, and the small dumpling, that's gonna help with the thickness of the gravy. So I'm just adding in the spinners, which is the dumpling. So these are the little spinners dumpling. So I'm gonna turn on the stove a little bit so the coconut can take its time and cook with the peas and the meat. So guys, I'm adding some pimento seed in. As you know, pimento seed is an all-purpose spice, so it helps to enhance the flavor and the taste of the stew peas. And the stew peas is coming on real good. For seasoning, guys, I'm gonna add some fresh seasoning the stew peas, which is tomato, bell pepper, scallion, Irish potato, some fresh ginger, and some thyme as well. We're gonna go ahead and add our seasoning, which is we're putting in the tomato. So we are putting our bell pepper in, some Irish potato, some ginger, roughly 1 teaspoon of ginger, some scallion, some thyme. So we're just basically seasoning up the pot now. I'm going to add roughly 2 teaspoons of butter to my pot, just to add some flavor to the stew peas. I'm adding some fish and meat sauce to my pot. Roughly a teaspoon of fish and meat sauce. And 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. So I am going to cook the rice next, guys. So it's gonna be white rice, because normally stew peas serve with white rice. So I'm adding piece of thyme, piece of scallion in my rice pot, 1 teaspoon of butter. So I'm adding some margarine butter. I think this is 1 tablespoon. Just add a little bit more. And 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna taste the water just to ensure that it is not too salt. So I'll add the rice in now. And then I'm gonna turn down the stove a little bit. So for the 1 pound of rice, I am using 2 cups of water. There is water dry out of the rice, so I am going to turn on the stove, and I am going to cover the rice with a clean paper bag or saran wrap, or you can use foil paper for the rice to steam now. You see that? I'm steaming my rice. Guys, you know me, I got steam some cauliflower and carrot for my vegetable. So I'm using some margarine butter. That amount of butter. So I'm just gonna steam them for 5 minutes. Just add little bit of salt on it, so I'm adding in the thyme. Look at the rice. It's real shelly, folks. Look at it. Guys, this is my stew peas with white rice and steamed vegetable. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing